they scheduled court for tomorrow. I don't exactly know why. I was just there yesterday. But actually, Attorney Haley's going to be stepping in for me tomorrow because I can't be there tomorrow. I don't know how they expect people to turn on a dime. But anyway, you or I. But if you can give me a call back at 203-627-3472. That's 203-627-3472. That is my cell phone. Thank you. And I'm going to try to text you too. All right, bye.
Today, Lee, I don't know if you got my message, but you have court today to get there as early as possible.